Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad you're all here to join me. Hope you're all doing well and stuff. Really horrible, miserable day today, and I haven't been well either, so all great here. But I've come on today anyway to share this little project with you. This is the vintage coffee collection off of Etsy. If I can find the link, then I will link it down below in the comments for you in case anybody wants it. This is another journal. Wake and smell the coffee. I put up in the corner there. Put the sheet on the front. Done a little border bit on the front there to make it look a bit prettier. It has 3 signatures in it. Put that one on the back with another little border on the back there. It has a ribbon closure, and this is more like a junk journal one, this. So this is our first page, and on here I just created a pocket and put 2 gorgeous tags in there. If you're anything like me and you love your coffee, then this would be right up your street. Or even if you know someone that is a heavy coffee drinker like me, then but these are lovely pictures. So I've just done a picture and then printed it on the back as well. I put a few paper clips in here. They're to hold in little envelopes, just like so. Gorgeous little envelopes. Take that off quickly so I can just flick through some tea dyed paper. Some more pictures. Another little paper clip there with just a little tag on there. A tag on there which was held on with the paper clip. I'll put them back in after. There's a little envelope on that side. As you can see, these are upside down in this one, but that's the way around I wanted it, because I wanted you to see the lovely sort of opening for the envelope on there. But again, if you're not giving it to anybody else, then it doesn't really matter, does it? Lovely papers, lovely pictures. Have a quick flick through this one. Won't bother taking it all apart and showing you. You can basically see there's another envelope one there. That one is actually up the right way. I don't know why the other ones in the pack are not around the right way, but it is what it is, I suppose. See, that's the third one that was in there, and again it's upside down in there, but never mind. I wanted it that way round, so just trying to show you the pictures that are actually in the collection. They've actually put the same pictures all the way through, because I think you'll find there's only about 5 or 6 of these actual papers with the pictures on. These are from someone else. These are just coffee journal papers that I found from someone else. is there? Another little envelope there. Again, that one is up the right way. I suppose you can have two the right way and two the opposite way if you wanted them like that. Again, see, look, that one is upside down, but never mind. Another little tag in there. Little cut part there. That's that. And then on the back here I made this notepad so it does slide in and out of there like that, and it just has little note papers in that you can just jot on. I think there's about 30 pieces in there to get that in there nicely like so. Now it's wonky. There we go. And that's it. So that's that one I done, guys. I'm now working on another one, as you can probably see from all my papers I've got here. Yeah, so I'll be back when I've done that to share that one with you. I'm also working on another IKEA storage box, so if you guys be interested in that, then please like, comment, and if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, then subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified of any videos that I've got coming up next. So thanks for joining me today, guys. Hope you like that, and love to you all. Mwah. See you again soon. Bye.